The great city of Manchester and its communities. Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your English learning journey. Before we begin today's story, please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already and share this episode with your family and friends who would also like to improve their English. Every story you watch helps you build your vocabulary, improve your listening skills, and become more confident in English. Thank you for your amazing support. Now, let's travel together to one of the most exciting and famous cities in the United Kingdom, Manchester. Manchester is one of the most important cities in the United Kingdom. It is located in the northwest of England and is well known for its rich history, friendly people, world-famous football clubs, excellent universities, and strong cultural identity. Today, Manchester is a modern city with people from many different countries and backgrounds living together in diverse and welcoming communities. Many years ago, Manchester became famous during the Industrial Revolution. At that time, the city was one of the world's largest centres for cotton production and textile manufacturing. Because of its many factories and mills, people travelled from different parts of Britain and from other countries to find work there. This history helped create the multicultural city that Manchester is today. Greater Manchester is made up of 10 metropolitan boroughs. These are Manchester, Salford, Bolton, Bury, Oldham, Rochdale, Stockport, Tameside, Trafford, and Wigan. Each borough has its own local council, which is responsible for services such as schools, libraries, roads, parks, housing, waste collection, and local planning. The councils work together through the Greater Manchester Combined Authority to improve transport, housing, economic development, and public services across the region. Manchester city centre is full of life. Areas such as the Northern Quarter are famous for independent cafes, street art, music venues, and small businesses. Spinningfields is known for modern offices, restaurants, and shopping, while Castlefield offers canals, old railway bridges, and historic buildings. Deansgate is one of the city's busiest streets, filled with shops, hotels, cafes, and entertainment. Outside the city centre, there are many towns and communities, each with its own character. Stockport is famous for its historic market and impressive viaduct. Bolton has a strong industrial heritage and beautiful countryside nearby. Rochdale is known for its beautiful town hall and its connection with the cooperative movement. Oldham is surrounded by hills and green spaces, while Wigan is famous for its canals, sporting traditions, and friendly atmosphere. Trafford is home to major attractions, including Trafford Centre, one of the largest shopping centres in the United Kingdom. The region also includes many villages and smaller communities, where people enjoy a quieter lifestyle. Places on the edge of Greater Manchester often provide easy access to the countryside, including the Peak District and the Pennine Hills, making the area attractive for walking, cycling, and outdoor activities. Education is one of Manchester's greatest strengths. The city is home to several excellent universities that welcome students from all over the world. The University of Manchester is one of the largest and most respected universities in the United Kingdom, offering courses in science, engineering, medicine, business, and the arts. Manchester Metropolitan University is another popular university with modern facilities and strong links to employers. The University of Salford is also well known, especially for media, engineering, health sciences, and business programs. In addition to universities, Greater Manchester has many colleges offering further education, vocational training, apprenticeships, and adult learning. These colleges help students develop practical skills and prepare for future careers. The school system follows the general education system in England. Children attend primary school before moving to secondary school. After that, many students continue to sixth form or college before going to university or starting work. Manchester is famous for football. Millions of people around the world know Manchester because of Manchester United and Manchester City. These two clubs have achieved great success and have supporters across the globe. Old Trafford, home of Manchester United, is one of the most famous football stadiums in the world. The Etihad Stadium, home of Manchester City, is another modern and impressive venue. Football is not only a sport in Manchester, it is an important part of the city's identity and community life. Transport in Greater Manchester is excellent. The Metrolink tram system is one of the largest tram networks in the United Kingdom. It connects the city centre with many towns, shopping areas, universities, and residential neighbourhoods. Manchester also has an extensive bus network, making it easy to travel across the region. Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Victoria are major railway stations, offering services to cities throughout Britain, including London, Birmingham, Leeds, Liverpool, Sheffield, Glasgow, and Edinburgh. Manchester Airport is one of the busiest airports in the country, providing flights to destinations across Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, and the Middle East. Food in Manchester reflects its multicultural population. Traditional British dishes such as fish and chips, Sunday roast, pies, and full English breakfasts remain popular. At the same time, people can enjoy food from many cultures, including Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi, Chinese, Middle Eastern, Turkish, Italian, African, Caribbean, and Mediterranean cuisine. The famous Curry Mile in Rusholme is well known for its large number of restaurants serving delicious South Asian food. Manchester has a rich cultural life. The city is famous for music and has produced internationally successful bands and artists. Live music venues attract visitors throughout the year, while theatres, cinemas, galleries and museums offer something for everyone. The Science and Industry Museum celebrates Manchester's important role in science and engineering. Manchester Art Gallery displays impressive collections of paintings and artworks from different periods. The people of Manchester are often described as friendly, hard-working, and proud of their city. Many communities celebrate cultural festivals throughout the year, creating opportunities for people from different backgrounds to come together. This diversity makes Manchester one of the most welcoming cities in Britain. Manchester also has its own distinctive accent, often called the Mancunian accent. Although it may sound different from accents in London or Birmingham, it is generally clear and enjoyable to listen to. Like many regions in Britain, some local words and expressions are commonly used in everyday conversations. Green spaces are another important part of life in Greater Manchester. Heaton Park is one of the largest municipal parks in Europe and offers lakes, gardens, walking paths, sports facilities, and family attractions. There are also many smaller parks where people relax, exercise, or spend time with friends and family. Manchester continues to grow as a centre for business, technology, education, healthcare, media, and creative industries. Companies from around the world have offices there, creating thousands of jobs and attracting skilled workers from many countries. The city combines its industrial heritage with modern innovation, making it an exciting place to live, study, work, and visit. One of the most interesting things about Manchester is how proud people are of their local communities. Although Greater Manchester is a large urban area, every borough and neighbourhood has its own identity. Local markets, sports clubs, libraries, community centres, and volunteer organisations help bring people together and create a strong sense of belonging. Manchester is also recognised for its innovation. Scientists, engineers, and researchers continue to make important discoveries at its universities and research centres. Businesses in technology, medicine, digital media, and engineering continue to invest in the city, helping Manchester remain one of Britain's leading economic centres. The city has a busy calendar of events throughout the year. Music festivals, food festivals, cultural celebrations, sporting events, Christmas markets, and family activities attract visitors from across the United Kingdom and abroad. During these events, the streets become lively and colourful, with people enjoying entertainment, local food, and performances. Shopping is another reason many people visit Manchester. Alongside large shopping centres, there are independent shops, vintage stores, bookshops, and local markets selling handmade products, clothing, antiques, and fresh food. This mixture of modern shopping and traditional markets gives the city a unique character. Manchester also values sport beyond football. Cricket, rugby, athletics, cycling, swimming, and many other sports are popular. There are excellent sports facilities for both professional athletes and local residents, encouraging people of all ages to stay active and healthy. Another strength of Manchester is its diversity. People from Europe, Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and many other parts of the world have made Manchester their home. This diversity has influenced the city's food, music, businesses, traditions, and festivals. Different communities celebrate important cultural and religious occasions while respecting one another, making Manchester an excellent example of multicultural Britain. Although Manchester is a busy city, it is also close to beautiful countryside. Within a short journey, people can enjoy peaceful villages, walking trails, rivers, forests, and national parks. Many families spend weekends exploring nature before returning to the city's lively atmosphere. Whether you are interested in education, history, football, music, business, food, or culture, Manchester has something to offer. It is a city that respects its past while continuing to build a bright future. This balance between tradition and progress is one of the reasons why so many people admire Manchester and choose to visit, study, work, or live there. Thank you very much for joining me on today's journey through the great city of Manchester and its wonderful communities. I hope you have learned something new while improving your English at the same time. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends and family so that more people can learn English through stories. Keep practicing every day because small steps lead to great progress. Never give up, stay focused, and believe in yourself. Finally, write in the comments which city you would like us to explore in our next episode. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Goodbye and happy learning.